So we're at a little farm near Lake Titicaca, near the city of Puno. And this is the gentleman who owns it, and we come here every time we do a tour. And he has alpaca and llama and these bulls, which are put on top of every house as a sign of prosperity and good luck and health and all that sort of thing. Bless us. So as you can see, it's all within an enclosed space. And there's some cuy, some guinea pigs, off in that direction.
That direction?
Yeah,
oh, there we go.
You can go around the building and see them if you want.
Yeah, I can see them right there too.
And they make these out of baby alpaca. These are textiles based on local designs. The roundhouse is for storing seed because the air can enter and move around it easier than inside a rectangular building. And the kitchen here is outside. There's the lady of the house preparing some fresh quinoa bread and some potatoes with a sauce, which is actually made from a local clay. It tastes very good, even though it sounds disgusting. And all these other little buildings for sleeping and for different members of the family. And arts and crafts. So the llamas and the alpacas are let out in the morning to feed outside, and then when the sun goes down, they're brought back within the enclosure. And in the back here are the guinea pigs. The Inca word for guinea pig is cuy. Of course, it's been a staple of the diet of the highlands of Peru for thousands of years. Now, most people don't like the idea of eating them, but it's a tradition in the highlands of Peru. June 21st, 2022.